A rich man had two sons who always quarreled with each other.
I am fed up, O God. They are quite often fighting with each other.
As usual, they both were quarreling.
Stop, sons. Why do you always fight with each other? You are brothers and not enemies. United you stand. You can even win this world.
No, father. He is the one who is always fighting with me. Tell him to stop.
You are the elder. You have to set an example for your brother and not fight with him equally.
Give the advice to him.
Rich man, without knowing what to do, thought of a plan to teach them a lesson. One day, the rich man called his two sons.
Father, tell me, why did you call us?
Sons, I will give you each a stick. Please break it into two pieces.
Oh, that's simple job. In no time I will break it.
Both of them separately broke the stick easily.
Now break this bunch of sticks.
Now, the rich man gave his son a bunch of sticks tied together. Both of them tried as hard as they could do, but could not break it.
No, father. We could not break it.
What do you learn from this? When there was a single stick, you were able to break it easily. But when the same sticks are tied together, you cannot break it. It's the same way with us too. When you fight with each other, enemies will easily break you down. But when united, nobody or anything can affect you.
Father, we now realize the need of being united. We will never fight. And from now, we will work together and be together.